Hello, class 4. Today we will learn something about the computer from our computer subject. We are done with lesson 1 to 4, and in all those lessons we have talked about the computer, its parts, and also the uses, but in general. But in lesson 5, we are particularly going to talk about the mouse. Lesson 5 is only about the mouse. I'm sure you all know what is the mouse. So this is the mouse. In laptop we can make use of, or we can operate it even without the help of this mouse, because in laptop there is a fixed mouse in here. But in most of the desktop we need a mouse to operate, to open it, to function it, to point it, to open the program, to open the data folder or anything. So to make it more understandable and clearer, I'm going to show you a quick video, a short video explaining about the mouse. And but since this is a laptop, so it is not exactly as in desktop, but we are only going to talk about the mouse here, so I'm sure you will all understand it. See, this is the mouse, and some people, they tend to hold the mouse with all the fingers, and they make use of only this index finger. Like there is a this in the mouse, there is a left button and there is a right button, and this middle, this is called the scroll. I want you to know it. The left button, which is on our left, the right button, which is on our right, and the middle, the one which we can scroll up and down, that is called the scroll button. And some people, like I said, some people, they just hold like this. They use the left button, right button, scroll, everything with their index finger. But the right way to hold your mouse is, you will also find that in your textbook, page number 25. You have to put down your palm like this. You have to hold with the help of thumb and these two fingers. You have to hold it, and the index finger should be on the left side of the button. Your middle finger should be on the right side of the button. And when you have to click left, click it with the help of index. When you are going to click the right, click it with the help of middle finger. And that's how you function. Regarding for scrolling up and down, it depends on your convenience. You can use any of the finger, but for left, index, right, middle, that's the right way to hold it. I'm sure by now you all are clear on how to use the mouse. And if you can see the arrow on the screen, this arrow on the display, the name of this arrow is a mouse pointer. You can say that as a mouse pointer or cursor. You will not say that there is an arrow, but you will say that as a mouse pointer or cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R, cursor. And in your textbook you will not find about there is certain ways to hold it, left button, right button. In your textbook you will not find about the usage of right button, but let me quickly show you. The right button is pressed and click to see the display menu or options. For example, I have clicked the right button. Now this option comes in, and suppose I want to refresh, so I have to press the left key. So as, for example, I want to open this new Microsoft. So to check the display, I can press the right key, and I can see if I want to change the name, or if I want to send it, or if I want to print, or if I want to copy, rename it. In such cases, when we press the right button, the display of menu comes in. But when we click the left button, there are two types of click. You will find that in your textbook. There are two types of click. Single click. For example, left button, I'm clicking once. So single click means to select it, but double click is to open it. For example, single click means I have selected this, but when I want to open this, then I have to double click it. Double click it, the screen comes out, and that's how it goes. Single click and double click. That is a simple thing about the mouse, about the mouse that you will find in your textbook. And I'm sure that by now you all are so clear with what is mouse. And there are three types of button, left button, right button, the scroll button, and the name of this arrow is called mouse pointer or cursor, and the single click, double click, that is the basic things about the mouse. And with that, if you have any confusion, just feel free to call me or to text me.